welcome in to another episode of the Collins Company's Vendor Spotlight series. Today we have with us Mr. Tim Carney from the Neles Company. He's going to walk us through a few key features and benefits of some of their core products. Remember, if you like what you see, or even if you don't, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and feel free to leave us a note in the comments section on other products you'd like to know a little bit more about. Without further ado, Mr. Tim Carney.
Hi guys, my name is Tim Carney. I'm with Neles USA, the area sales manager covering New England and New York State. I'm here with Jay Fahey today, and we're going to be talking about a couple key features of our Jamesbury Butterfly Valve, or wafer sphere. Today's theme is total cost of ownership. I'm going to go over a couple key features that include our extreme seats, the insert design, and a little bit more about the butterfly valve design. Let's get into it. This is a plastic replica of our Jamesbury wafer sphere butterfly valve. It's available in a variety of materials from carbon steel and stainless steel, all the way up to exotic materials such as Hastelloy and Manel. A few key features that I want to talk to you about is our extreme seat, our flexible lip design, and a little bit about the valve design. We'll start off with the extreme seat. Now, extreme is a multi-blend material proprietary to Neles. It meets or exceeds filled PTFE in any and every application without increasing operating torques. It's approved for temperatures from -50 all the way up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's tested on our butterfly valves to see up to 3 million cycles. Now, if you can look in here, you can see some of our flexible lip design along with the insert design. Our flexible lip design helps minimize permanent deflection, adjusts to excursions in pressures and temperatures, compensates for wear, and all of this leads to a longer cycle life. Now, as far as the valve design itself, all of our Jamesbury soft-seated butterfly valves are bubble tight, meaning zero leakage. They're all bidirectional, so you can put it into the pipeline either way. Our insert design provides the seat with maximum protection against the media. How it does that is, think of a ski jump. The media is coming in, it hits the insert, and it hops right over the seat, which again leads to a longer cycle life. Our patented double offset design allows for no seat to disc contact in the open or intermediate position, eliminates wear points at the top and the bottom of the seat, and reduces operation torque, meaning cost savings on a smaller actuator. With hundreds of options like live loaded, special cleaning, oxygen, chlorine clean, fire tight, and cryogenic constructions, we have the butterfly valve for you.
So Tim, let's be candid, there's a lot of butterfly valves on the market. Why should our customers trust a Neles valve?
Well, too many customers think about upfront costs and not total cost of ownership.
What does total cost of ownership really mean?
I mean, think about if a valve fails or you have to take it offline, how much time is spent? Maybe you have to hire a third-party company to come in and they have to unflange the valve, they take it apart, repair it. Yep. The quality of our valve and the parts that we use and the way that we test everything, it really comes down to saving you money in the long run.
Okay, so the upfront cost might be, a little bit more, but really when it comes down to it, the overall time that valve is being installed, it's going to save them time and money.
Correct. And no one wants to hear total cost of ownership, but that's really the point that we're trying to hammer home today.
That's it for this episode of Vendor Spotlight. Tim, thanks for being here today. Appreciate your time and expertise.
Thanks for having me, Jack.
And thanks to all of you for tuning in. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel and go ahead and drop us a note in the comments section on products you'd like to know more about or topics you'd like to know more about. Until next time, this has been Vendor Spotlight.